See you.
Hi, I'm your guy next door, and if I can cook, you can cook too. Today, I'm going to show you a very ancient recipe that came from the place called Kolok. Kolok is a small little town that thrives within the border of Thailand and Malaysia. What is very special about this dish is there is only a few ingredients involved, and you just have got to boil it. So the main ingredients are the chilies and the onions, as well as the chicken. This recipe will include a lot of chilies and onions, but depending on the kind of chili you picked and the onions, it is not going to be very spicy, but that is the identity of this dish. Very simple. I will teach you how to do it. Follow me to the kitchen. Okay, first and foremost, we boil the chicken. Remember that this chicken came out direct from the fridge, frozen, and we are not going to thaw it. We are going to put this frozen chicken into this water, and we lit the flame and let it boil. Put in the chickens. That's it. We let it boil until the chicken is cooked. How do you know when the chicken is cooked? It's when the skin and the muscles pull off from the drumstick. Then you know it's cooked. Okay, this chicken has been boiled continuously for about 20 minutes or so under medium-high fire. It's good enough because we are going to still boil it with the onions and the chilies. The reason why we boil separately is because a lot of times if you don't boil separately, all the impurities wouldn't be able to come out, and we do not want the impurities. We just want the fat chicken that's ready boiled. Look at it, beautiful. So we remove it. Over here, the pan is really hot. All the amount of chili that you have. And all the onions that you have. Yes, that's the aroma we want. The combination of onions and chili is what makes up this dish. I just want to toast it for a while. Okay, I think it's good enough. Put in the chickens. Now we cover it with water. So make sure the chicken swims in the water. It's floating, swimming. Put in the salt. Cover the pan, put the heat on medium fire and let it boil. Now you have realized that the chicken is on medium heat and it's been continuously boiled for about 20 minutes or so. Before that the chicken was parboiled and then over here it was boiled again together with the chilies and onions. To check if the chicken is ready. When we poke the skewer in, there shouldn't be any blood oozing out. It should be only just water. See? Water. Yeah, so the chicken is ready cooked. And turn off the flame now. You can see that the water has been reduced. Just now it was that high. It was reduced to just only half. Right? But you still have to time yourself and check consistently. Stir it and see whether the chicken is cooked. It's very dangerous to eat uncooked chicken. Okay, turn off the flame. This is a foolproof recipe. Basically, it involves very few ingredients, and if you really follow the ingredients and when they put in closely, you surely won't fail. 2 whole legs of chicken with lots of chili and onion, and suddenly it's been transformed to such an exotic, wow presentation. So follow my steps and create this yourself. If you enjoy what I've just shown you, please do give me a thumbs up, like and share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Tell me in the comments how you think of this recipe. Stay tuned for more videos from the guy next door. Bye.